how to earn money on Instagram in 2025. So hello guys, in this quick video I will tell you if you want to make money on Instagram. So I will tell about 4 best methods. The first was sponsor posts. Brand will pay you to promote their stuff once you build an audience, even it works on small creators. Second was affiliate marketing, where you will share links and every time someone buys that product, you will get commission and get paid. So that was also best option. The third was you can sell your own products. It can be digital products or physical products. So it's depend on you, but it is also very profitable. The fourth and last one was real bonuses and ad revenue. So Instagram pays like YouTube and you will get money because of your views. So the more engagement you get, the more money you will earn. So these 4 are the best ways to earn money on Instagram in 2025. You guys can start it right now. Thanks for watching.